Remove gasket. Remove the handlebars. Start removing the shim set. Separating the fork from the frame. Remove the spacers from the forks. Use the tool to hold the spacer underneath. Removed is this gasket. Then remove the top gasket. Again, use the tool to hold the spacer against. Remove gasket by smashing. New fork spacers. Remove the center lid and set aside. LT's the upper gasket. This is a brand new gasket set. Start installation. The part on this fork does not need to be removed. Keep it and install this plastic piece. Remove the gasket from the brand new head tube. Fix it in this place. Line up in correct place. Place it and fit it in by tapping it in. Make sure there are no gaps around. Turn the bike over. Place the head tube lower spacer in the correct position. Again, install it in. After installation is shown in the video. Next, attach the fork to the frame. Then place this beveled spacer in. Followed by plastic parts. And finally the top cover. Align the folding handlebar with the fork. Open the folding handlebar. Take out the top cover. Tighten it up. Make sure it is tightened. Fasten the folding handlebar. Secure the front wheel. Make sure the front wheel is not out of alignment with the handlebars. Tighten the folding handlebar screws.